So I'm with Catherine from Odin Events. We're just chilling out, aren't we?
Yeah, we're just having a great time.
It's so cool in here. Oh, pardon the pun. Hey! Right, so it's October. Feels like Christmas, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's all about Christmas here. We've got the sleigh, we've got the snow globe, we've got, yeah, it's all about Christmas with us. We love Christmas.
Are you the Mrs. Claus of events?
I'm the chief elf.
Are you? And do you love Christmas then? Do you, is that like Christmas? Come on over, we'll take you a bit closer here. Do you love Christmas? Is that your thing?
Christmas is really important for us. We love to keep the magic alive. Kids love these, adults love these. You were just having fun in it, you know. It's
I know. If you hold the microphone, yeah, if you hold the microphone. So basically, to get snow, we do this. Right? Okay, yeah. What actually is that? I've just eaten a mouthful of it.
So it's a biodegradable, almost, it feels like a plastic. It's very light and floaty, but it is biodegradable.
Okay. And so where would this kind of snow globe be brought to then? Is Christmas markets?
Christmas markets, Christmas light switch-ons, shopping centres, you know, really just fun, festive events.
And do you get people who just kind of like sitting here all day? Is this, like, would you have a Santa sitting here all day?
We don't normally. We normally just have the snowman and the Christmas tree, but we can put a throne in and have, you know, Santa in here as well.
And so is this like your photo opportunity? So little kids come in, it's snowing. Oh.
Absolutely, and their mind is blown.
I bet the photos come out so nice. I bet they look really cute.
They're really good.
Right,
Really
okay, so we've got the snow globe then. Okay, what else do you guys have?
So new for the show this year, we've got a disabled-friendly sleigh, which is really cool.
Do you know what? We'll do a walk and talk.
All right,
We'll
let's
get our.
go.
If you guys can wait, okay, we're gonna do a walk and talk. Oh God. It's a bit warmer out here. It's absolutely freezing in there. God, you get your death in there, wouldn't you? It's like the North Pole. Okay, so it's October out here. Right, what else have we got then?
So this is what we've brought to the show that's new for this year. So disabled-friendly sleigh, wheelchair accessible. So you can sit inside in your wheelchair. Like, you know, anyone can also sit on the back. And from the front, you can't tell that there's a gap, and it's just a nice addition.
And then who does the sound effects and who does the ho ho ho? Is that what you do?
No.
No? Or do you are more like no no no?
Yeah. Depending on who's in it.
Right, okay. And what about the presents? Is there any actual toys in there or have we got any gifts?
No, because it's not Christmas.
Right, okay. And you know, obviously you've only known me for a couple of minutes, but would you say that I'm on the naughty list or am I on the good boy list?
Well, I don't know.
I was your judge of character. Right, okay. Let's move from the sleigh, right? By the way, have you named your reindeers?
No. Would you like to name them?
Oh, well, one of them has to be Rudolph, don't they?
Has to be.
Yeah, okay. Well, you can name the other one. You can name the other one.
Don't put me on the spot.
Okay, we'll say Prancer, okay. So you've literally got it all. Obviously, these are very Christmas themed here. These kind of like decorative figures, aren't they? What would you call them?
So this is our Nutcracker Trail. This is designed to go into shopping centres and encourage people to move around the centre or around the event, and they have to go and find their names. So you just put them at the furthest points of your event, get people really moving, and they have a trail booklet which we produce, and they fill it in, and yeah. It's really, really good for footfall.
I've actually got a friend whose nickname is Peanut. And that actually looks a bit like him, that guy there. Right, so obviously you've got more. You've literally got it all. This is kind of like a bit of a theme park, a mini theme park. You've got your lion, you've got your big chairs. I'd say these are very popular at events and festivals.
Hugely popular, and we offer a full branding option to them, you know, so you've got your branding at the top, everyone sits in them.
Yeah, it's a really good Instagram photo opportunity, isn't it?
Really, really good.
Right,
really
okay.
good.
Now you have got quite a lot of unique things on offer here. The one for me is definitely the cave.
Yeah, the cave is pretty special. 90 feet of tunnelling inside this trailer, designed to look and feel like a real cave. There's boulder fields inside. There's a ball pool which simulates going through water. There's a chamber you can stand up in, there's a bedding plane, and it's all fully integrated with CCTV.
Oh, really?
So parents outside can see what's happening in this big lump of rock.
Or if somebody falls asleep, you know, they're not lost, they're just
They're not
sleeping
lost
in the
yeah.
cave. Right, okay, well, oh, you can see it here. Oh, this is amazing. This actually looks like something from Most Haunted. You kind of expect to see Derek Acora wandering about with a candle or something like that.
Orbs everywhere.
Yeah. Is it haunted?
Not that I'm aware of.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Okay, I think we should go in. We should go in for a little look. Yeah. Let's see. Is there any kind of like skill or kind of way to tackle this?
No, just make sure you go over the top of all of the boulders, and there are no dead ends.
Right. Okay. Well, wish me luck. You gonna close me in or oh?
Hey, do you want to go in?
Yeah, I'm going in.
Right, hang on, come back.
Oh, okay. Oh, I have to put on a helmet.
Yeah.
I don't want to wreck my hair. Oh God, I'm gonna have to wreck my hair. Go on ahead.
It hasn't got snow in it anymore, don't worry.
Have you got hairspray and a brush? Feels sexy. Right. Oh, we've got a light.
Okay, so you're going to go in through this entrance.
Yeah.
And Camera, do you want to come round and see where he's going to go?
I feel like the Chilean miner. Oh. Oh. This is the. Oh. Hello. So as you can see, I'm in a cave. It's the first time I've ever been in a dark place like a cave, and it's brilliant. It does actually feel like. Oh my God, I'm stuck. Push me through. I'm actually stuck. I have to come out this way. My legs are stuck. Oh, that was definitely a unique experience. So I think Odin Events, it's safe to say you guys have it all. And can I get out now? Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, come on.
Thanks, oh God, that's amazing. I don't know how. You're gonna have to pull me out.